Batangas BTS, Batangas BTS. This is MB Precision, call sign 3 Foxtrot Echo Delta 3, over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas BTS. Switch to channel 12 for further communication, over.
Batangas BTS, this is MB Precision on channel 12, over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas BTS. Go ahead, over.
Batangas BTS, this is MB Precision, call sign 3 Foxtrot Echo Delta 3. We are an iron ore carrier with a draft of 12.3 meters and a gross tonnage of 23210 metric tons. We have 3-4 persons on board and our cargo includes 12304 metric tons of iron ore with 2.5 liters of IMDG Class 3 dangerous cargo. Our estimated time of arrival at the Batangas Port Terminal is 0800 hours on October 30, 2023. Requesting permission to enter the port, over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas BTS. Permission granted to enter the port. Please proceed as per port regulation and maintain communication in this channel, over.
Batangas BTS, this is MB Precision, understood, proceeding as per port regulation and maintaining communication on this channel. Thank you, over.